If you want to set a custom message tone on a Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, then in that case we have two things that we can do. So the first thing that we can do is we can open Settings, then choose Sound and Vibration, and here we want to go to Notification Sound. Next, make sure that you have the classic mode selected and go to Default Ringtone. Then you can go to My Sounds, and here you can find Add New Sounds. Now, once you open this menu over here, you need to find the custom sound that you wish to set for your notifications, and of course, notification sounds include a new message tone. So if you want to change the message tone, you can change notification sound, but what you need to keep in mind is, of course, the notification sound includes other sounds as well. So if you receive new notifications from other apps other than Messages app, then of course the sound is going to be exactly the same since we changed for all notifications. So in here we need to locate our custom audio file that we wish to use. And so in my case it is this one, and once it is added, make sure that it is also selected on this list. And then of course tap on this check in the upper right corner. However, if you wish to set a custom sound, your own sound, just for new messages and only for new messages, then in that case what you can do is, instead of going to Sound and Vibration, you want to open Apps. In Apps, tap here to see the list of all apps. Then we're gonna scroll down and we need to find Messages. Next, go to Notifications. Over here we need to reveal unused categories and search for incoming messages, unless you already see incoming messages, of course. We can tap on incoming messages and then choose Sound, and then here go to My Sounds, and then of course you can do exactly the same thing, so you can add a new sound or just select one if you already have it added. So now, once you select a sound like that, once you receive a new message from anyone in the Messages app, then of course that sound is going to be played. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.